You're my friend. Where's the act now? Let me see you. Where's the act now, my friend? You like the outfit? Everybody like the outfit. You like the outfit too? Oh, thank you, baby. That's so nice. Because, you know, when you get old, you have to be bold. You can't be old and cold. You have to be old and bold. That's the difference. Right, Africa, big up yourself, my youth. Big body boy, body look bigger than your pants, your pants.
Hello.
You know that, so. What may I tell you, say? We want to do model, of course.
Yes.
I can
Woo.
do
No, that's fire, yo.
Yes, baby. We say,
Yeah, it's
big
fire,
up
yo.
yourself, Africa, big up yourself, Jamaica, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
England, big
Big
up
up.
yourself.
Yeah,
Toronto, big up yourself. And we say, big up yourself.
Build over,
That's how
build
we are
over.
doing today.
Hey.
And love is love.
Yeah.
And only love we are pray. Yes, baby, cause my body real.
Yeah.
It's not a fake body, you know.
not fake?
It's a real
It's not
body,
fake.
baby.
Oh, okay.
Alright?
Alright. You sure
Yes,
it's not
man,
fake?
it's real.
It's not
And
fake?
God is good that it's not.
Okay, I can touch? To see?
No, you can't touch that
Why?
shit.
Because
I'll
you say not
stamp you
fake.
in your face and stamp your
Okay,
tongue.
okay.
You want me to stamp your tongue, make it flatter like a fish?
Alright, go ahead, go.
Alright, baby self. Young boy, big up yourself. Artist, I got a market. See it? Big up on yourself.
Nice. Nice. God bless you.